Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. So today I am drawing a scenery of some mountains and houses. I'm using here a 6HP pencil. Any pencil you have, you can use it. First of all, I have drawn a curvy line and now I'm drawing two houses. So if you like my drawings, please do comment on my drawing, how is it and what should I draw for you in the future, and watch my video full and also visit my channels. I post all the drawing videos with voice tutorial so that my viewers may understand it more accurately and precisely. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, please hit the like button. So let's get back to the drawing. As I have drawn two houses and a window and door in it, now I am drawing some backyard grill at the side of the houses. Now on the right side I am drawing a tree just like this. Take out your pencil, paper, draw with me. So taking a scale, drawing a straight line in the back, I am drawing some bushes just like this and some mountains. Now some stones heading the path of the house downwards and some clouds in the sky and a sun on the right side using a sellotape and then giving it some rays in such directions and drawing a little bit grass in the ground just like this. And here is our easiest and beginner scenery finished. Allah Hafiz.